What's up, y'all? It's Eddie from Auto Metal Direct. The Grease Monkey came to see me today at our headquarters in Gainesville, Georgia. So I'm going to take Will and you guys around, show you what we do, and you're coming to pick up parts for the Sema truck too.
Yes, sir.
So pretty awesome. So y'all come check it out. Come on in. Good to see you, man.
Yeah, you too, bro. Thanks, sir. So this is like the main line. You come to the counter and order. These guys are here to help you with your shows and then like showcase stuff. So like when that flatbed's done, you guys want to put it here for a month. We put stuff every 60 days, every 30 days, we rotate that corner. Okay. Everybody building something. Divot column, Eddie Motorsports steering wheel, Tremec 6-speed, 427. They've been offered 25 so it's Anybody got a gooseneck recommend?
Receiving 12 to 15 containers a week come in. That's what all this new product is to the left. All this stuff comes in, get checked in from our plant overseas. 1, 2, 3, 4 bays, do 12 to 15 containers a week. These guys put it all in. This is where it gets checked in, then it goes into full inventory after that, so the pickers do what they got to do. This is a second for unloading and loading in case we need it, and that's what we built. Like that's a bed floor right there. It's got to go in that rack. So we just added these new rackings to the place, brought them out because we run out of room. We're still building a new spot over on the other side. Shipping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days a day of stuff going on. This is all extra. Big freight is all this section over here. The littler stuff is over there. So all these 4 rows are all the big stuff. Bed floors, fenders, hoods, all that stuff. Got all the big stuff in the back against the wall. Those are the hoods. Full doors. Bed floors. Floors for the cars. All the big stuff is back here. It's quick on the golf carpet. It's basically a football field. The pallets are coded to the distributor. I can't tell you what the colors are, but green is one person, yellow is another, orange is another, blue is another. That way we know this goes to this distributor, this goes to that distributor. And this is where everything's picked. All these aisles is where everything goes up. More bed floors and stuff, so this is, and we're right back where we started.
With the Grease Monkey, BuiltbyYO. Want to shout out and give a huge thank you to Eddie and the AMD, crew, everybody out here for the parts that they partnered with us, for the Sema build. And shoot, man, we just want to say thank you.
Man, no, thank you guys for teaming up. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. It's a lot, and the secret. In about another 2 years, I got a lot more to show you across the street, man. We are busting at the seams. Anything you guys need to restore your Chevy, your Ford, your Mopar, autometaldirect.com, we got it all, man. So I'll see you soon in Vegas.
Yeah, bro.
I'll see you guys later. Thank you.
I like that. Good. What you want in first?
Shit, it really don't even matter, bro.
Alright.
Hey, appreciate it.
No problem.
We're the Grease Monkey, built by Yo. We just left AMD. Now we done pulled up at Summit Racing in McDonough, Georgia. Man, we just went in there, spent a bag of AMD. As you can see, we got a 24-foot trailer full of parts, all for the Sema truck. So y'all gonna see all these parts getting installed on the truck in the upcoming future. Y'all gonna be introduced to the truck, and you know, you're gonna see everything come together like a beautiful dream blossoming. Me, my boy Darcey, laptop thug, our cameraman. You know, shoot, we just had a good day coming out getting parts. And shoot, now it's time to head back to the house.